everyone. I am in our living room, and behind me are the diamond paintings that we have. Most of them actually have been released already. We've got Galaxy Queen over here, which is of course a black hole in the Milky Way based on Tanya Shatseva's artwork. And this one over here is Hidden Snowflake featuring December by Anna Dittmann, two of our first collaborators with regards to original artwork at the shop. And so when I actually was looking for artists to collaborate with, I found Tanya and Anna and decided to go on ahead and support their craft first and foremost by making several purchases of their original pieces. And of course, we have some black hole in the Milky Way in here, I think. Hopefully it's arrived. And also the December by Anna Dittmann. So I'm going to go open this up. I don't know which one is which, but I'll just go on ahead and open it up. I think this one might be from Tanya, but I'm not so sure. Let's see. I don't think it really says. It says poster set of 1, so I'll just go and open these ones first. These might be from Anna Dittmann because I remember some of her pieces already had frames included. And so let's see and find out if this in fact is from Anna or from Tanya. I see a frame. It says, "Thank you. Your purchase paid an artist." That's big. And this is from Society 6. And there's a promo code. And I got a bunch of stickers. And $5 off my next purchase. There. So this is December. Let me go and get the diamond painting so you can see the diamond painting versus this piece. Of course, she has these in different sizes, but the one that I purchased for this particular design is in this size. I believe this would be a, well, I think this is a 30 by 30 frame. I'm not too sure. Let me get the... So, this is what I got in a frame, ready to hang. Purchased from Society 6, basically a website that hosts a bunch of different artists, licensing them for prints, whether it be wall decor or t-shirts and whatnot. And this is this very same design as a diamond painting, but what we don't see in this picture is, of course, the hidden snowflake that we have decided to incorporate for this diamond painting. There you go. So the great thing about diamond paintings is that, you know, if you have a particular design, is you can actually choose the size that you'd like it to be in. And obviously there's that element of you being able to contribute to the art, wherein you're not just receiving a piece and then just displaying it as an audience, but you get to be part of the experience that the artist probably went through in creating the design. So let me place this back here. Thank you, Anna, for making this beautiful piece. Glad I got that. All right, let's open up the next one. Okay, I got another box here. I'm guessing this is another framed picture. So, I think I received it in like 2 or 3 weeks after making the purchase. And yes, it's another one from Society 6. I got another sticker and that same thing with a discount coupon. And this is scale. Now let me show you the different canvases we have for scale right about now. So this is based off this original design by Anna Dittmann, and I'll be back while I get that. Okay, so John has brought down the scale canvas. So this is what size is this? 60 by 40. So this is the 60 by 40 canvas that we have for scale. And let's open up the smaller ones and then the biggest one. So basically imagine having it like this, but then having the option to make something a lot bigger and even be able to make it yourself as a DIY craft. You know, that way you can say, I made that. And then this is the smallest scale. And let's open up the biggest one. So in comparison, this is a 45 by 30. And then the second size is 60 by 40. And then the biggest one, just stand behind me, John. And the biggest one, I'm going to stand too. This is the biggest one. Let's lower it. Lower it. There. So we've got the frame piece, and we've got the bigger sizes in diamond paintings. So these are the options that you can choose from at the shop. As you can see, it's going to be so, so beautiful once you complete it as a diamond painting and it starts shining and all that stuff. So yeah, I just wanted to show you the comparison of a typical poster or framed picture compared to what it would look like as a diamond painting, and this is not even finished yet. Thank you. I'm gonna take... Okay, I'm back. We have got 2 more to open up right now. Okay, so we've got this one. I think this one is a signed print from Anna Dittmann. I remember when we were talking about the collaboration, I told her that I was a big fan of her artwork and that I would like not only to be able to collaborate with her for the shop, but also actually get some of her prints. Yeah, it is. Anna Dittmann right there. So this must be the signed print, because I see the pound currency. All right, so let's open it up. So it's in this cardboard to protect it. And this we will actually have at the shop soon too. It's kind of in line with all of the butterfly girls that we have. And here it is. And we've got the signature right on the bottom, right there. You see it? Beautiful. If you like this to be made into a diamond painting, do let me know, comment below, and we'll probably have it at the shop if there's a demand for it. Thank you, Anna, for this signed piece. All right, and now let's move on to the last one. Let me just place this behind me. Okay, this one let's see if this is the one from Tanya. I got another Society 6 sticker, and oh no, this is Frost. This is all from Anna Dittmann. And this is Frost. This is like a 60 by 40 maybe. Beautiful. And there you have it. I've got all of my Anna Dittmann pieces, and now I'm just waiting for the ones from Tanya Shetsiva. In the meantime, I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing of original artwork from our artist collaborators. And if you like these designs, remember all you have to do is just go to DIYmoonshop.com and you can order yourself your very own diamond painting kit as inspired by the designs of Anna Dittmann, and of course what we have not shown in this video of unboxing, but we can see her behind us, Black Hole in the Milky Way by Tanya Shetsiva. We'll have more artists coming to you guys pretty soon. We're just trying to space it out so we don't get too rattled, but hopefully you enjoy this new venture that we have at the shop. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time. Bye. You want to go near